Welcome back to Winning Wealthy, where a winning attitude leads to wealthy altitudes. Are you an aspiring affiliate marketer looking for the key to unlocking success? Have you tried your hand at YouTube and affiliate marketing but can't seem to land on a strategy that works? You're not alone. Many new affiliate marketers go through trial and error before they find their footing. But don't worry. Mastering the combination of YouTube and affiliate marketing isn't as hard as it might seem. In this ultimate guide, we will provide you with all the tools needed to become a successful affiliate marketer using both YouTube and other established channels. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's start our journey together. But first, a quick favor. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our new content. Let's dive in. YouTube offers an incredible platform to reach a vast audience and generate income. By aligning your content with your target audience's interests, you can attract viewers who are genuinely interested in your offerings. With affiliate marketing, you have the opportunity to earn commissions by promoting products that resonate with your audience. Use YouTube to showcase these products through reviews, tutorials, or engaging content, encouraging viewers to make purchases. 1. Research your niche and identify your target audience. Embarking on a successful affiliate marketing venture begins with a crucial foundational step: conducting thorough research into your chosen niche. This process involves delving deep into understanding the specific segment of the market that you plan to target. The essence of this research is to gain a comprehensive understanding of the needs, desires, and challenges faced by your prospective audience. By identifying these key aspects, you can ensure that the content you create and the strategies you employ are finely tuned to address the unique characteristics of your target audience. This targeted approach not only increases the relevance of your offerings, but also significantly enhances the chances of your marketing efforts striking a chord with your audience. The end goal is to establish a strong connection with your audience, one that is based on a deep understanding of their preferences and pain points, thereby making your affiliate marketing endeavors more impactful and successful. 2. Create highly valuable content. Creating highly valuable content is a cornerstone in the realm of affiliate marketing. The primary objective here is to craft content that deeply resonates with your target audience. Each piece of content, whether it's an article, blog post, video, or social media update, should be designed with the intent to either entertain, educate, or inspire your audience. The value in your content lies in its ability to effectively address the needs and interests of your audience. It should serve as a key that unlocks solutions to their problems or offers enriching experiences. This means going beyond mere promotion of products or services. Your content should stand out as a significant and memorable part of your audience's day. The emphasis should be on quality and relevance, ensuring that every piece of content you produce is seen as a valuable resource by your audience, thereby strengthening their engagement and loyalty to your brand or platform. 3. Invest in your business. Investing in your business is a critical step towards enhancing the quality and appeal of your content, particularly in the realm of video and audio production. Elevating your production quality by investing in high-grade equipment can make a profound difference. This means acquiring professional-grade cameras, microphones, and editing software to ensure that the video and audio content you create is of the highest standard. Such an investment is not just about improving the technical aspects of your content. It's about enhancing the overall viewer experience. Professional-looking and sounding videos significantly boost viewer engagement, as they convey a sense of credibility and dedication to quality. This level of professionalism in your production can transform every video you create into an impressive and captivating experience for your audience. By showing your commitment to quality, you not only retain your existing audience, but also attract new viewers, thereby expanding your reach and impact in the digital space. 4. Have a dedicated posting schedule. Having a dedicated posting schedule is an essential strategy in building and maintaining a loyal subscriber base in affiliate marketing. Consistency in content releases plays a crucial role in establishing your channel as a reliable source for your audience. By adhering to a regular posting schedule, you create a sense of anticipation among your viewers. They come to expect and look forward to your content, integrating it into their daily or weekly routines. This regularity not only helps in keeping your existing audience engaged, but also increases the likelihood of attracting new viewers who appreciate the predictability and steady flow of content. Importantly, this consistency fosters a deeper sense of trust and familiarity between you and your audience, significantly enhancing the chances of converting casual viewers into loyal customers. In essence, a dedicated posting schedule acts as a cornerstone for building a strong, engaged, and committed community around your content. 5. Promote your videos on various platforms. Promoting your videos across various platforms is a strategic move to maximize visibility and reach a wider audience. By leveraging the power of different digital channels like social media, blogs, and newsletters, you can effectively amplify the reach of your video content. Each platform offers unique opportunities to engage with different segments of your audience. Utilizing social media platforms allows for immediate interaction and sharing, while blogs and newsletters help in providing more in-depth information and fostering a community. Additionally, optimizing your content for search engines is crucial. This involves using strategic keywords, relevant tags, and creating eye-catching thumbnails that make your videos more discoverable and appealing. By adopting these methods, your videos become digital magnets, attracting viewers from various online spheres. This not only increases the viewership of your current content, but also helps in building a sustainable, growing audience base for your future productions. Congratulations, you've now become an expert in two of the most crucial components of online marketing success: YouTube and affiliate marketing. By learning and fully understanding how to use these tremendous tools properly, you're paving the way for your business to succeed. You have identified your niche, target audience, and created highly valuable content that can draw in an audience. Developing a dedicated posting schedule is critical as well, so you don't miss a beat. Additionally, consider investing in your business to give your brand extra credentials and reach new levels of success. To get even further ahead with YouTube, consider promoting your videos on various platforms. The more eyes on your content, the better. It has been a pleasure helping you achieve mastery over YouTube and affiliate marketing variables with this ultimate guide for success. Now that you feel confident about taking on the next steps with these great strategies, why not turn them into actionable steps? Click the link down below to launch a wildly profitable affiliate business in 7 days or less. All the best on this incredible journey of yours. Here's to success. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on mastering YouTube and affiliate marketing.